Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable or disable function key in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable your function key or your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, this method I will show you on my virtual keyboard. You can try on your laptop or desktop keyboard. You just need to hold your function key and press escape key. You need to press this both at the same time. It will be enabled. If you want to disable this option, again you need to hold the function key and press escape key. After that it will be disabled. So in this way you can enable or disable function key on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.